Send it! Send it! Whoa! Those wheels fuck me! Straight from a Mad Max movie, fucking hell!
I love it.
Don't run me over! Wow, that's gonna be good! Video the boy!
Hey! We're ready then, huh?
I love the pink cage. That pink one is just visible. Oh! I think the arm broke. The arm or the hub.
The bottom pin come out.
Oh.
That's all.
So that's all?
That's all it is. Just that bottom pin. Yeah, it's just come out the top and bottom.
Should we look for it?
Yeah, if we can. Just got to get that one onto there, like that.
I wanna do the slow-mo wheel spin. Come back. All right. I hit my face. I hit my face. Yeah, with the mud. Whoa!
I was just thinking them cones are holding out pretty good.
Yeah, you hold it. You bumped into it like 3 times.
Wrecked it.
Well, this one is haunted. I think something's wrong with this cone.
Fucking bolted that cage down as well? Because I quite often run it with just the clips. Yeah, it broke the cup. Yeah.
Oh,
that's
yeah.
alright.
It's the
Alright,
same.
sacrificial. It's all pretty robust at the front, so. Yeah, just the cup, because on the front I'm not running shaft, so the cups just slide in.
No. Did you saw that?
Carry it back. Just fucking starting to go. It's starting to grip it. It's fine. Just drive it back.
Wow, but that was beautiful.
That was, yeah.
Yeah, that was a good hit, huh?
It lifted better than the cone, it did.
Yeah.
Whoa.
This way, the cone ended up here.
Show me the cone, because I didn't saw it.
It's like it's been melted. It's literally like.
Holy shit. Oh, the sound of this drone is scary. Whoa! He hit it real good, right?
Yeah. It broke the thing as well.
Yeah, you can break that as well.
One wheelie.
Obviously there's no shafts at the front, is it? That's now obviously took the brunt of it.
Yeah. That bumper took enough, mate. That bumper took done well for you.
Especially when you drive flat out into cone.
Yeah. Yeah. Someone else who does that as well round here. I did it.
Hey, that's not the first time I've done it.
Are we going to send it to the moon? Whoa! Straight onto the nose.
Are you guys a YouTube channel?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube name?
This one.
Oh, thanks so much.
That's a sticker.
Oh, nice.
Here you go.
I appreciate it, mate.
No worries, man.
What's your YouTube channel?
Drive, crash, repair, repeat.
Oh.
But you can put it on short. DCRR. Yeah.
Next to Inferno.
If you want, you can. If you want, you can try your car over there.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Probably you can try it out. If you want, you can.
Let's ride.
Whoa. Nice. That was perfect.
It's the top of the shock that's come off. Oh yeah, that just straight up snapped that. Nothing that a zip tie can't. Oh no, it's just popped out. Sick, and it's fixed.
Yeah, I got you now. Subscribe.
Yeah, thank you. Yes. Whoa.
Why not?
Whoa, what is that doing?
Why not?
The brakes are sharp.
Let's say something for YouTube.
Yeah.
Subscribe to Drive, Crash, Repair, Repeat.
All right. Cheers, man.